Ika-55 anibersaryo ng Folklorama Festival sa Winnipeg ngayong taon at isa sa mga pavilion ang Pearl of the Orient kung saan ilan palabas at pagtatanghal ang nakatakda tampok ang kulturang Pilipino.
We're also proud to say that it's the biggest festival of its kind in the world. I think it's on 55 years now, and it's a festival that goes right throughout the city. It goes on for 2 weeks. We're on week 1 right now, and right throughout the city through different pavilions, different events, you'll see representation from different countries.
Ganito inilarawan ng Pavilion Coordinator ng Magdaragat Philippines ang Pearl of the Orient na bukas ngayon Biyernes at Sabado sa St. Norbert Community Center.
We've set up I believe we call it a barrio market, where there's, as you can see in the background, there's a sari store. There's a whole bunch of other little trinkets and food areas and things like that.
Isang paraan daw ang kanilang pavilion na ipakilala sa mga Pilipinong lumaki na sa Canada ang kultura ng bansang pinanggalingan.
We just wanted to make it just feeling like a little piece of the Philippines back home.
50 taon nang sumasali ang Magdaragat Philippines sa taunang Winnipeg Festival. Dati at nung nakalipas na 20 taon, nasa isang eskwelahan ang kanilang pavilion. Pero ngayon, nasa loob na raw ng isang community center na may mas malaking espasyo.
We're seeing a whole new demographic of the city. People who have never seen the Filipino culture, people who have never seen what we're about. So they're really appreciating what we're bringing to the area here. So it's just been great. It's been great all around.
3 show productions ang pinaplano ng Magdaragat Philippines para sa susunod na 2 gabi.
We have a Muslim suite, which is more of the a royalty kind of dance. We have a rural suite, and then we have a more tribal suite as well. So again, 3 different shows, 3 different dances. We rotate every night, and again, all 3 are beautiful sets.
Maaring makita ang buong listahan ng mga pavilion at oras ng mga cultural shows sa website folklorama.ca.
Actually, to be honest with you, the last day usually fills up pretty fast. So if you can get your tickets on the Folklorama website, come visit us, and we'll be happy to have you.
Magbubukas naman sa susunod na linggo sa Folklorama ang Mabuhay Philippine Pavilion. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.